Bestbreed came prepared. Mr. Yukaji, another interesting thing about today's event is what's happening, because it's a maiden edition, but they are actually having it in food. What do you have to say about that?
When it comes to events, Breed does not understand the word small. Everything that is done in Bestbreed is more. That is the definition.
In fullness.
In fullness. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Yellow House. Yellow House, you've got 2 minutes. 2 minutes to go. This
1 minute.
Yellow House.
1 minute.
Okay. Getting ready to shake them off. Getting ready.
Did you see that move, Mr. Yukaji?
Okay, Yellow House. You have 30 seconds. 30 seconds. Let's go. 30 seconds. Second. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for Yellow House. Thank you, DJ. Thank you.